Hi everyone, this is Simran from Pink and Lime. We are back once again to show you ready to wear pieces which you can shop comfortably sitting at home. Today we have a lot of Pakistani styles which have hand embroidery, pearl embroidery, zardozi work, cut dana work on them with nicely finished pants, and they're all ready to wear. Lot of sizes available and they're all very pocket friendly. So let's get started. The first style that we have is a two-piece Pakistani coordinate in georgette fabric, same as the style I'm wearing. It's a royal blue color two-piece set with beautiful embroidery which has been done on the neck. It is highlighted with this sort of pearl detailing gathered on the neck. There is very nice handwork which has been done all over the kurta. The handwork is highlighted with pearl work, scallop work, cut dana work and thread work. It runs on both sides of the kurta and has been placed very well. It has interesting sleeves. The sleeves are balloon sleeves with this sort of gathered detailing at the corner, and a long length kurta with this sort of detailing at the ghera of the kurta. It is teamed with straight fit Pakistani pants, and the pants also have very smart pearl detailing, this sort of lace work done at the bottom. This particular set is priced at 2995. Sizes available are L, XL and XXL. This is also available in one more color, which is a wine color. So there's a royal blue and a deep wine color with same kind of embroidery detailing. Priced at 2995 only. The next style that we have is a two-piece kaftan coordinate. It's got sleeves on one side and kaftan on the other side. The kaftan has been highlighted with pearl on all four sides. It has this sort of handwork which has been done on it. It's again a combination of cut dana work, pearl work and nice scallop flower detailing. It has been placed diagonally on both sides of the kaftan coordinate, and it is teamed with straight fit Pakistani pants. The pants also has organza detailing with this sort of sheer effect and little bit of pearl detailing at the bottom. This particular set is priced at 2295. This is available in a free size which is size 42. Since it's a kaftan, it can easily be altered. So to tighten it, the stitch can move towards the left, and if you want to loosen it, the stitch can move towards the right. The kaftan coordinate is also available in two more colors, a royal blue color with same kind of embroidery detailing and a wine color. You can see the embroidery up close. It's really fine and detailed. This is priced at 2295. Sizes that is available is a free size XL. The next style that we have is another two-piece Pakistani coordinate on georgette fabric in a nice green color. It has this sort of pleating on the sleeves with beautiful handwork that has been placed on the kurta. There is scallop flowers, cut dana and pearl work, and there also this lace detailing which runs on the front panel of the kurta. It's a medium length kurta and is teamed with straight fit Pakistani pants. The pants are also teamed with detailed nicely with this sort of printex line and this detailing at the bottom. This particular set is priced at 2495 and is available in size L, XL and XXL. This is also available in one more color, which is a royal blue color. The next style that we have is another Pakistani coordinate. This is ombre shaded in an off-white to salmon pink ombre. It has beautiful handwork detailing on the neck. Again, you can see the embroidery. This is scallop, pearl with cut dana work. It has these sort of embellishments or hangings on the neck with salmon color detailing. The sleeves are also ombre shaded with a slight gradation of off-white to salmon pink. This is teamed with straight fit Pakistani pants, and the pants will also have this sort of smart detailing at the bottom. This particular set is priced at 2995 and available in size 38, 40, 42 and 44. This is also available in two more. The other two colors that we just showed you are these. This is also an ombre shaded in gradation of off-white to aqua blue with same kind of embroidery on the neck. And the third color is a brighter peach in an ombre of off-white to peach. The price for this coordinate is 2995 and sizes available are L, XL and XXL. The next style that we have is a two-piece Pakistani coordinate on georgette fabric. There is no handwork that has been done on it. It's beautiful thread work which has been done to keep it soft, simple and subtle. This is on a turk blue or a soft aqua blue color with this sort of handwork detailing on the neck. Same kind of thread work has been done on both the princess line of the kurta, and there is thread work detailing at the ghera. The sleeves are also highlighted with same kind of thread embroidery. This is teamed with straight fit Pakistani pants on a stretch fabric, and the pants also has this sort of smart detailing with scallop and a sheer effect at the bottom. This particular set is priced at 2295 and is available in a free size which can fit anybody up to 42 chest size. This is also available in one more color, which is a soft salmon color. So a salmon pink and an aqua blue, 2295. The next style that we have is a georgette coordinate. It's a two-piece set with beautiful metallic embroidery done all over. It has a Peter Pan collar to it with this sort of bell sleeves detailing. The embroidery that has been done on the ghera is very nice kardana work. Let me show you up close. So there is pearl work and kardana work which has been placed at the ghera of the kurta with this sort of pearl and kardana work all over the kurta. This is teamed with straight fit Pakistani pants in the stretch fabric. The pants also have a sheer detailing to them. And this particular set is priced at 2295. This is also available in a free size which is an XL and can fit anybody up to 42 size. This is available in two more colors. One is a beige color with same kind of embroidery and same kind of pant detailing. And the next that we have is a very soft pastel pink color or a powder pink color. Price 2295. The next style that we have is what we've shown in our latest YouTube video also, and we've got amazing number of orders on it. This is on a soft teal color with beautiful handwork embroidery which has been done all over the kurta with thread embroidery. It has this sort of detailing on the sleeves. The fit of these suits, because they are without the pattas, is very loose straight fit kind of suits. So if you usually opt for a medium size, we recommend that you opt for a large size in this. It has this sort of detailing on the pants, and this particular coordinate is priced at 3395. Sizes available are L, XL and double XL. This is also available in one more color, which is a nice wine color, a deep wine color. You can see the embroidery and the contrast of salmon pink to wine that has been done all over. Moving on, the next style that we have is another two-piece coordinate done on a very soft lavender color with this sort of handwork detailing, kardana work, pearl detailing. There's a straight panel of kardana and pearl which runs from the neck till the ghera of the kurta, and nicely placed kardana and metallic work on two sides of the kurta. What's interesting about the kurta is the sleeves, which is a straight sleeves with this sort of gathered and ruffled look and a cuff at the bottom. This is teamed with straight fit Pakistani pants, and the pants are also nicely finished with printex and this sort of scallop flower detailing. This is priced at 2295 and is also available in another color. So this is available in this sort of a soft pastel green color. Same kind of embroidery all over, a salmon pink and a pastel green, priced at 2295. The next style is a repeat of what we've showcased earlier also. This is on cotton. Very smart detailing on the sleeves. It's a three-piece coordinate with this sort of scallop and sheer detailing on the sleeves. It is teamed with Pakistani pants. The pants have satin edging and this sort of scallop detailing at the bottom, and a chiffon dupatta with nice floral printing all over. The ghera of the kurta also has this sort of lace and cut work on it, and this particular style is priced at 3295. Sizes available are L, XL and double XL. The next style that we have for today is the showstopper of the day. It's on a deep wine color with beautiful thread embroidery that has been done on the sleeves. The embroidery has been highlighted with barik sequence work. The same kind of embroidery has been done on the side panel. Then there is nicely finished embroidery which has been done on two panels. So this is like an open jacket to the coordinate. It is teamed with an inner and a straight fit Pakistani pants. The pants will have this sort of detailing at the bottom, and the inner will also have same kind of detailing. So the jacket is front open with 1, 2 and 3 buttons in the front, and it has this inner with it. The inner also has pleating and print text which has been done all over. Let me show you the inner also for this particular coordinate. It's a sleeveless inner with this sort of a button detailing at the back with a boat neck, and the inner has this sort of print text which has been done all over. Very nicely finished. This particular coordinate is priced at 3995 and is also available in one more color. The next color in this three-piece coordinate is this blue, a grayish blue color with same sort of threadwork embroidery on the sleeves. Very smart handwork with barik threadwork, kardana work, pearl work and sequence highlighting. It has been done in a panel sort of a style. You can see the embroidery quality up close. Though it's for 3995, but it's value for money, and it's got this sort of 3-button detailing which gives it a front open jacket look. Sizes available in this are L, XL and XXL. The next style is another stunning Pakistani coordinate with beautiful embroidery that has been placed on it. This is a combination of pearl work, kardana, scallop detailing, and it has a very nice Indo-Western look to it. You can see it has been placed on two sides of the kurta, and the embroidery quality is really nice. It has interesting sleeves which is like a double bell ruffle look, and is teamed with straight fit Pakistani pants. The pants will also have smart detailing at the bottom. So these are straight pants with this sort of gathered look at the bottom. This particular set is priced at 2295 and is available in two more colors. The other two colors for the same coordinate is a beige color with nice metallic embroidery, scallop detailing on two sides of the kurta, and a nice lavender color which has got same sort of scallop flower look, this sort of metallic detailing, kardana work and pearl work. Both coordinates are priced at 2295. They are available in a free size and can fit anybody up till 42 size. They can all be easily altered to a small, medium and large size as well. The next few styles are our evergreen styles which are always in stock, and luckily we have all of them together today. So this is on georgette fabric with beautiful threadwork embroidery. It's an all season sort of a thing. It has smart detailing on the sleeves with print text, threadwork and lace work, and same kind of embroidery that has been done on the ghera. It is teamed with straight fit Pakistani pants. The pants will also have this sort of gathered sheer lace work, print text detailing, and a chiffon dupatta with 4-sided lace to it. This particular set is priced at 2250 and is available in size L, XL and XXL. We can also customize this piece for you in any size. So sizes from 46 to 52 can also be done on it. The only thing would be that the time that we need for them will be little longer. These are some more styles which have come in the same 2250 range. This is on georgette fabric with pleating in the front, thread embroidery with pearl work which has been placed on both motif. It has got same kind of chiffon dupatta with 4-sided border, a smartly finished pants to go with it. The pants will have this sort of gathered detailing to them. This is priced at 2250 and is available in color 1, which is a peach color, color 2, which is a off-white, color 3, which is a soft green color, and color 4, which is a bright yellow color. So Georgette we recommend, we prefer to use in these sort of styles because it drapes really well. It has a slimming effect, and Georgette is an all-weather fabric. Priced at 22.50. Sizes available are L, XL, and XXL. The last style of the day is this lavender Georgette coordinate in the same price range of 22.50 with the scallop motif thread work which has been done and placed on two sides of the kurta diagonally. It's got nice lace detailing on the kurta patti as well as on the ghera. It is teamed with straight fit Pakistani pants. The pants will also have same sort of detailing that usually comes on Pakistani styles, and has a chiffon dupatta with four-sided border. Priced at 22.50. Sizes available are L, XL, and XXL. Those were all the styles that we had in store for today. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you liked the collection. In case you wish to place the order, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp on 98113 15915. Right now we are closed due to COVID guidelines, and this weekend we'll not be operating, and we're operating on an odd even basis. So we request you to call us before you visit the store. Thank you for watching. We'll be back soon. Bye bye.